as the visuals that are on screen, the Prime Minister has arrived at Umrah, where he will be addressing a public rally. And those visuals coming in there, he's landed in his helicopter at Umrah, which is about a few kilometers from the main Kashi city. And what is most important is, Swesha, that he's coming here after a very, very important meeting with the BJP ruled states chief ministers, so which was a meeting on governance. So right now what we are seeing is a complete people's model that Prime Minister Narendra Modi follows. On one hand, he is having a meeting which is on governance, which is on the state's parameters, the state machinery being able to reach and access the common man on the ground. And on the other hand, he is himself on ground. He is at Umrah. He's amongst the people, and he's going to be addressing them directly. So this is the Narendra Modi model, where on one side he's working on all the parameters that are involved in the government being able to deliver all the important aspects of governance, and that they should be reaching ground zero, they should be reaching common man, and that is exactly what he discussed with the chief ministers. That is exactly what was on the agenda. And also, if the BJP initiated schemes have been, the government initiated schemes have been able to reach, are going to the people, is what was on the plate, was on the menu of that meeting. And today, right now, he's at Umrah, where he will be discussing, where he will be directly addressing the people on ground. So that people connect that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is always maintains is something that we are going to be seeing here at Umrah, and is going to be the next address right after yesterday's Kashi Vishwanath corridor inauguration. So what all will Prime Minister Narendra Modi have on the agenda when he addresses the people here at Umrah, which is very close to the main city of Kashi, and whether he speaks on the development that Kashi has seen over the few years, ever since he became the Member of Parliament from Kashi. It's important to be seen, because during this time when the Prime Minister is on a Kashi visit, there has also been an attack by the Samajwadi Party and by its leader Akhilesh Yadav, which has not gone down too well with the BJP leaders, and there has been a constant political reaction on that. So the Prime Minister, on his visit to Kashi and in Umrah right now, will he take on his political adversaries from this platform, is something that we have to wait to see. But right now, Prime Minister at Umrah, and he is at that temple where he is going to be a part of an address that he's going to be giving shortly. But before that, he's at the Swar Ved Maha Mandir. The visuals of that temple are grand. What we are seeing right now, what we have right now for our viewers is something that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's itinerary from Umrah, as we said, the program that we got earlier was that he would be addressing the public rally before, and then he would go through the Swardev Mandir. But as we see those visuals coming in from Umrah, he's at the temple right now, and the Prime Minister, very, very importantly, see, this is the second day of his visit in Kashi, and on his second day, two temple visits. It was the Kashi Vishwanath Dham, which he inaugurated yesterday, the phase 1 of Kashi Vishwanath Dham, and today he's at this Swardev temple. Very clearly, and before that he's had a meeting with the chief ministers. So his agenda of development plus taking forward the ethos of the religious ethos is something that we are seeing right now, even today. This is something we saw yesterday as well, because he was there at the Kashi Vishwanath corridor in the afternoon, and then late at night he was at the Banaras railway station reviewing and monitoring how it has developed, how it has really come out, because I have been personally a witness, Swesha, of the Banaras railway station before the entire development took place, and it has completely changed. You cannot recognize it. So now today the same...
जी रीवा, हमने देखा कि किस तरह से प्रधानमंत्री का स्वागत किया गया सस्वर गान के साथ में, स्वास्तिक गान।
So, Charita, we are trying to play out those visuals, of course, and on our screens, first on Republic, but continue talking to us because development is the key focus. And that is something that the Prime Minister has made extremely clear in this visit to Varanasi, of how Varanasi has really been put on the world map. And the Kashi Vishwanath corridor, so many temples on the way that have been restored to promote India's culture and rituals. And even as right now, Prime Minister at the Swarved Mahamandir Dham, and he will also be addressing the devotees who came to the Vihangam Yoga program. So, Prime Minister there and that much awaited address in Umrah that everyone is looking forward to. So, Charita.
Right, Swesha, and let me tell my viewers that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has specifically chosen this Swarved temple, which is famous for its meditation center, world's largest meditation center, because we're told that about 20,000 people can be seated at one go and they can meditate here. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi has always been the brand ambassador for yoga, and he is here at the Swarved temple, and this is the largest, as I say, the largest meditation center currently. We're talking about it because Prime Minister Narendra Modi is here, and this temple, which was built by Sadguru Sadhapal Dev Vihangam Yog Sanstha and the Sadguru Sadhapal Dev, it is his 98th anniversary, for which Prime Minister has marked his visit today here at this temple. So Prime Minister here, and we can see those visuals that are on the screen for our viewers. As I say, the name of the temple, Swarveda. Swarveda is made up of two souls, Swaha and Veda. That is what we were told by the people, because I was trying to personally find out what the temple is all about. So Swarveda basically is Swaha and Veda. Swaha means soul and Veda means knowledge. So the right now Prime Minister Narendra Modi is here at the Swarveda temple, and yahan at this particular place, meditation is done in this temple instead of worshipping a particular god. It is a meditation place. So you meditate and you look up to the Holy Spirit. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi right here at the Swarveda temple, and on the 98th anniversary of Yog Sant Samaj, I think it is very clearly he's trying to give out a message. The messaging is very clear that the religious attributes and the developmental model needs to be taken hand in hand, and Prime Minister being here, being part of this 98th anniversary of the Swarveda Yoga Guru, it clearly means that the Prime Minister wanted to be here. It's part of Kashi. This entire area is part of the larger Kashi district, though a little about 20 kilometers from the main Kashi city. But as I say, those visuals that are on our screen, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is there at the Swarved Mahamandir, and this mandir remains the center of attraction for years now. And if I tell you about, because our viewers are able to see it, it is a 7-story temple, and it is huge. When I say this, because I know that people have told us that about 20,000 people can meditate here together, so that speaks volumes for itself. And I think the followers for this temple in Kashi, they come from almost all states of India, all states of India, and also from different countries. And that is why Prime Minister Narendra Modi has chosen this temple. He is here at the Swarveda temple, and right after this, he's going to be addressing a public rally. So right after this, the Prime Minister will be addressing a public rally, and the messaging that he gives out from the public rally is also equally important. What will he say when he addresses the people there at Umrah? Because Umrah, which comes in the larger Kashi district, is now also going to be a message for the people of Kashi. I want to remind my viewers again that what Akhilesh Yadav said, there is a lot of political reaction coming into that. Akhilesh Yadav's comment on the Prime Minister, and the BJP has not taken it too well. So the BJP has started reacting to Akhilesh Yadav's comment, and now today the Prime Minister, who has taken Akhilesh Yadav, who has taken on Akhilesh Yadav directly from his earlier public rallies. It is to be seen whether the Prime Minister will say anything about the Samajwadi Party or its leader from this stage, though I feel the chances are less, because today he is at a religious event, and yesterday when he was speaking at the inauguration of Kashi Vishwanath Corridor, today he is at the Swarved temple, and I think it is going to be more of a direct address to the people of Kashi, a direct address to the people of Banaras. Swesha.
Absolutely, Sucharita, and that very powerful address that the Prime Minister had delivered even yesterday on day one when the Kashi Vishwanath Corridor was inaugurated, and what a spectacle it was throughout the day.